Hey everyone, imagine your car suddenly struggling to shift gears, or worse, it just won't move at all. You plug in your OBD-II scanner, and it throws P0908 clutch actuator C control circuit open. This means your transmission's clutch actuator C isn't receiving or sending the correct signals, which can cause serious shifting issues. But don't worry, today, I'll show you where this sensor is located, why this code appears, and how to fix it. Let's get started. DTC P0908 indicates an open circuit in the clutch actuator C control system. This actuator helps engage and disengage the clutch in semi-automatic and dual clutch transmissions. If it's faulty, your car may hesitate to shift gears, enter limp mode, or refuse to move entirely. Transmission won't shift or get stuck in gear. Check engine light or transmission, warning light on, jerking or hard shifts, unresponsive clutch operation, and limp mode activation. Clutch actuator C. Location: mounted directly on the transmission housing, near the clutch assembly, found in semi-automatic and dual clutch transmissions. Transmission control module typically found inside the engine bay, near the transmission. Some vehicles have it under the dashboard or near the battery. Wiring harness runs between the clutch actuator, TCM, and fuse box. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor location. Faulty clutch actuator C. The actuator is not working properly. Open or damaged wiring. A break in the circuit can cause communication failure. Defective TCM, blown fuses, or corroded connectors can disrupt actuator signals. Step 1. Check battery voltage. A weak battery can cause actuator failures. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for open circuits or broken wires. Step 3. Test the clutch actuator C. Use a multimeter to check voltage and resistance. Ignoring P0908 can lead to severe transmission failure and expensive repairs. Fixing it early ensures smooth gear shifts and prevents breakdowns. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0682, cylinder 12, glow plug circuit. P0683, glow plug control module to PCM communication circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.